Hey, Caddyman here. Time to kick off the winter fall season with a warm drink. Yep, we've been bringing you all these ice drinks, these cool drinks. Well, we're going to try to warm you up a little bit. And let me tell you, this is something that is very tasty. You can only drink about one of these because it is sweet, but gosh, it's good. I want you to try this. It's called a pumpkin pie spiced latte. Say that very fast. Pumpkin pie spiced latte. Anyway,
It's like,
very good. You start out with 6 ounces of coffee. Then you're going to add, this is very simple. Like I said, simple and good. 2 ounces of pumpkin pie liqueur. Voila. About a half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. And then I'm going to top it off with some whipped cream. Now, if that's not easy and good, I don't know what is. And on a cold winter day, it flat hits the spot. Try this one, see if you don't like it. You come see me now, you hear? Bye now.